behalf of the teams to join us. Can I have from the new Bhojpuri team, the skipper, Manoj Ganakia. Pratik, can you join us? And also, we have with us the new owner of the new team in the CCL, who might be a familiar face for another team, but it's great to have him representing and owning a new team. From the Veer Marathi, Ritesh Deshmukh. Would you please join us? Thank you so much. Manoj, you first. Had you seen any of the cricket action before now being a part of the CCL? कुछ पहले देखा कि नहीं, कुछ समझ में आया कि नहीं, कुछ appreciate किया कि नहीं?
Yes, sir. I was watching and I think how much we are excited. The Bhojpuri people. I don't think any other team is excited.
I've got to ask Ritesh that. Ritesh, do you think you can give him competition in terms of excitement? After all, you know, massive industry.
I think you're starting the Marathi Bhojpuri competition right here. I think we all are excited to play this league. I've played for the last 2 years. The able guidance of my captain, Shetty, Anna as we call him, and yeah, we all are very excited.
Anna's not smiling. He's saying, yeah, well, you know, hey. But Manoj, you know, खिलाड़ी भी चाहिए. So I know the little birdie tells me that, you know, Manoj Tiwari is a terror on the field. Late swing, this, that, the other. पर अपनी थोड़ी कहानी बताइए. Cricket की.
अभी मैं जिधर जाता हूँ, हमारे चूँकि वी आर प्रिविलेज कि हमारी भोजपुरी इंडस्ट्री 4 स्टेट में बटी है. दैट इज इन यूपी, इन बिहार, इन झारखंड एंड इन छत्तीसगढ़. तो आजकल हमारे यहाँ रोज एक आर्टिकल होता है CCL के ऊपर, क्योंकि CCL हमारे लोगों ने देखा भी, बहुत देखा. और हम लोग इसको हल्के ढंग से नहीं ले रहे हैं. हम ये जानते हैं कि हमें बहुत मेहनत करना है, तब भोजपुरी दबंग जीतेगा.
अच्छा, ये नाम किसने रखा, भोजपुरी दबंग?
सर, ये तो क्रेडिट गोज टू सोहेल सर.
कहीं इसमें कोई गूगली तो नहीं है, बाद में देखेंगे. But Pratik, you know, I want to ask you. There are many kinds of owners. What kind of an owner are you? One who's not nervous, who's thinking of pressure on the team? या जाके खेलो, मजे करो यार.
Yes, little of both of them. Yes, our concentrated audience ranges across 7 states. That puts up a lot of pressure to represent. I believe we've got the biggest arena to play for. So yes, a little of pressure and excitement and enjoyment. And the very fact that we've been practicing for the last 3 or 4 months and we've got 6 months to go. So one among the strongest contenders this time.
Well, you may have seen the CCL matches last year, and now you know the standard of those who've been playing or practicing. Do you think you can provide at least a nice, tight contest? Is there enough of it? It's all on you now. Owning, captaining, playing, thinking, you know, everything. How's it going to go? I mean, a lot of pressure here.
I guess I've learned a lot from Anna over the last 2 years, and I think there's a lot of pressure, but there's a lot of help from Mumbai Heroes, for me, be it Sohail, who has helped me, guided me through this entire. There's a lot of thought whether I should actually jump into it, not jump into it. Should I actually go and take this responsibility, because it's a huge responsibility. As CCL itself has become a huge brand, and on top of that, you take the responsibility of taking on the Marathi team onto this new arena. Whether I will be successful, I don't want to let down CCL in any way. I don't want to let down this platform. But with the help of, I guess, Sohail, Vishnu, all of them, it's a step, and hopefully I don't let them down.
Yeah, I'm sure you won't. Just a quick word. I know maybe you haven't had enough or as much time to prepare as Bhojpuri Dabangs have had so far as we were. 3-4 months of practice already. What about you? Where's your status of the team right now? Anywhere close to selection or long way off?
As soon as I get out, I'll start forming the team.
Hands together for Mr. Mahesh Reddy from the Telugu Warriors. If you're here, please join us. Thank you, Mahesh. Lissy Priyadarshan of the Kerala Strikers is here. Lissy, thank you for joining us. Sohail. Mr. Boni Kapoor and Rajesh Shah from the Bengal Tigers. Please join us. Thank you so much. And of course, we've got Ritesh here from Veer Marathi and Pratik Kanakia from Bhojpuri. Also from the Chennai Rhinos, I hope he's here. Mr. Ganga Prasad, are you here with us? There you are. Thank you. Wherever you're hiding. The owner of the team that has won both the editions so far. Congratulations. Aye. This, ladies and gentlemen, is to present to you those who made some very good decisions in life to ensure that these teams were made a reality by owning them. I don't know where to begin asking whatever, but Lissy, since you're the lady and right in the center of it, can we have your opinion, please? Because she, apart from other things, worked miracles in Kerala. Because that one match that we went to Kochi for, incredible. Please describe to the rest of us your thoughts of that full house in Kochi.
Initially, nobody believed, including my husband, that we could pull off such a huge crowd. But I think that was thanks to our captain and the superstar, Mr. Mohanlal, actually. People have seen him doing different roles, but they've never seen him playing cricket. And I think they've come to the stadium to watch him, what he's doing on the playground. Initially, they were not convinced, but then we could pull off a good match, and that was a pleasant surprise from all of them.
It was a fantastic match. I need to go back to that because we can't show it to you, but what terrific atmosphere, the big reasons, and how hard, of course, your industry, the Kannada film industry, has worked to be one of the top teams every single time they go and take the field.
2 years ago, I said we would bring the cup home, and we didn't. But I decided not to talk about it. I'll talk after I bring the cup home.
Well, good luck, good luck, good luck. And now, of course, to your right, the owner of the team that won it both the years. I don't want to use the word underdogs, but you were not favoured, Ganga. If you take the microphone, please. And, oh, would you like to carry on? Don't go into me.
No, I promise I won't throw the mic at you this time, but because we're going to win, and we're going to make the rivals extreme.
Don't say that. But we'll have your turn. But Mr. Ganga Prasad, just a couple of words on the fact that perhaps unexpectedly you got the trophy both times. Just how thrilled were your team and how hard? Do you think you were the underdog? Do you think, though, that whenever the Mumbai film industry goes, there's so much expectation. They've got some fabulous players. They did better in the second year, I know. But are you still disappointed?
No, in fact, I'm not. I think the spirit is right. As they say that I am the owner of the team, and there's something in me that I think it runs in my family that we're not scared about anything. So Anna told me that I should come for practice, and apparently told me I had a good swing, and he said, "यार ये बहुत डरता है." I said, "ठीक है." ये मेरे दिमाग में डाला गया था कि यार सोहेल डरता नहीं है. जो हम लोग पहला गेम खेलने गए, I was still like 7-8 down. And Anna said, "You open." ठीक है, open कर दो. अभी जब हम लोग ने कर्नाटक को प्रैक्टिस करते हुए देखा, तो पहले रितेश आता है मेरे पास, open कर रहा है, डरना मत है. डरना मत है, don't get scared. हाँ सब ठीक है, हेलमेट सब ठीक है ना, बैट में. अभी पहले तो मेरे को भेज रहे हो, उसके बाद डरा रहे हो. पहले बॉल पे आउट हो गया. उसके बाद ओनर बोलो छोड़ो, आज तक गेम नहीं खिलाया अन्ना ने. 2 सीजन से गेम नहीं खिलाया.
पहले बॉल पे आउट हुआ लेकिन डरा नहीं. लेकिन डरा नहीं.
So my son was in Bombay and आप जानते हो कि अब स्कूल में मतलब बच्चे जो चिढ़ाते हैं. तो गया नेक्स्ट डे स्कूल, तो बच्चों ने बोला क्या तेरा बाप पहले बॉल पे आउट हो गया. He says, no, yaar, my father was not keeping well, वो थोड़ा बीमार थे. Yeah, smart kid, yeah. लेकिन इतनी seriously हम game लेते हैं कि इन लोग owner को नहीं खिलाते हैं. Terrible.
Has it been difficult to get a very busy fraternity to come for the amount of practice that you need, obviously, for a tournament of this stature?
नहीं, अगर आजकल आप देखो तो हमारी इंडस्ट्री में सब लोग बोल रहे हैं. हाँ, काम पीछे के बाद दूसरा क्रिकेट के लिए पहुंच जाते हैं.
और कोई डरता नहीं.
क्रिकेट के लिए पहुंच. In fact, a lot of my friends have been calling me up and blocking their dates. क्या हम खेलेंगे? I think it's great. You know, I've met such lovely people. And we travel, we have fun with them. Yes, it's a very competitive sport. You get to meet the different fellow actors and you chat with them and you chill with them. Because of the rules and regulations of CCL, they're very strict. So it's very competitive on the ground. But off the ground, I've made such lovely friends that CCL for me is actually has changed the path of my life. And it's an experience that I will always love this, and I keep on saying that it's not Mumbai Heroes. I consider myself to be a part of CCL, and I will always be a part of CCL no matter what.
Fantastic. Here you mentioned that the rules are pretty strict in this and the other. Now, is that said in a positive spirit because they should be strict, or would you very serious rule-bound cricket going on?
No, I think it's the cricket that makes it this whole CCL happen. Otherwise, I mean, no offense, friends of mine who play exhibition matches for IFA, and we go there, and that was the impression of the first curtain raiser match that a lot of people had. This must be one of the IFA games, and IFA does it for different reasons. You know, gets the platform and all the actors together, celebrities together and play. But when we played the first curtain raiser match in Vizag, we realized the seriousness of the game and the competition. In fact, I think the first game that we played was Mumbai Heroes versus all the three South teams. It was Kannad, Tamil and Telugu together. It was four players of each. And we made new friends at that point in time, but we realized that we have to go back. And we lost that game. So then we realized that we had to take our game much more serious. So I think, and my father told me this, Beka, please take this game very seriously, because ultimately you will want cricket fans to watch the actors play. So if we take our cricket seriously, I think we will see success.
Well, thank you. And let me assure you, everybody's taking it very seriously. Bonnie, thank you for joining us. Can we have a microphone passed down? Thank you. I don't know which language you're going to speak, maybe English, but if you can tell us your experience of owning a team, and did at any point of time you have kittens about, worrying about the performance, or were you cool about it?
I was quite relaxed about it. Last season was the first season that our team once played, and the journey is pretty exciting. We certainly started as underdog, the first game we lost, but we did quite well towards the end of the season. I'm quite sure the boys are ready to go. Third season, I'm quite optimistic. They've been practicing, I'm told. It could be a great tournament this year because we have 2 new teams, and as Pradeep just said that we have been practicing for the past 3-4 months, I'm sure the Marathi team also, and the guys from Pradesh will be practicing from now on. After all the advisors that we've got from Manna and so on, I'm sure it's going to be an exciting journey. And as we all know, cricket is not just a sport in our country, it's a religion. And it's good that people in the industry of different regions have come together. It's a good exchange, a good mix of actors from different regions. And I'm sure we all will try and put up a greater show this year.
Geographically speaking, you have to go across the country, in a sense, living in Mumbai, managing or owning a team in Kolkata. So how has that been a problem? Do you have another set of people in Kolkata who look after it, or have you started learning Bengali already or not?
Well, I started my professional career as an assistant to Shakti Sani. That's why I'm quite well versed with what Bengal is all about. And except for the distance, I don't think there's not been a problem.
Yeah, I got a call a little earlier from some of the actors in the East, and they're saying, yeah, when will you produce a film or two from the East?
Well, the time has come. Probably there would be a Bangla film in the office.
There you go. So see, something new comes out of it. Okay.